We had a question earlier today whether the likelihood of passing a driving assessment will depend on whether you turn up with your private vehicle for your PDA or driving school's vehicle. If your vehicle passes, if they don't decline it based on roadworthiness, it's not going to be a problem as far as which vehicle you're driving. So you've got to execute all the tasks to the standard in order to pass and in order to collect as many points as possible. From our statistics, if a person takes a lesson before the driving test, basically on the day of a driving test, that's going to increase their chances. Even if you take a lesson, say 1.5, 2 hour lesson before your test, and you choose to use your vehicle later on to do your assessment, that's fine. Because that preparation, literally preparation before your driving assessment, can make a huge amount of difference, because you would know whether there's any unusual roadworks in the area, if there's anything that you should know that you haven't come across maybe, and also to have a proper warm-up. You can even make a break, half an hour's break after that particular lesson, and then rock up for your test with your car. That shouldn't make any difference whatsoever. Like in any sports, we can't just start, we've got to warm up. It's the warm-up that matters, and we always recommend to all of our clients, have a long lesson before your driving assessment. If you need a break just before the start of your assessment, get out half an hour earlier, stretch your legs, have a chat, have a coffee, have a drink, whatever you prefer doing. And in our experience, the results are always better. So the answer to our viewer's question is that it's not going to depend whether you turn up with your car or driving school's car. You've got to be prepared. Now, generally people are more nervous if they haven't done any lessons for 3 days and they just turn up for the test on the day, and that's going to create a little bit more nervousness, and obviously as a result they might, lack confidence. And any good instructor will help you prepare mentally as far as the expectations go and how you're going to handle everything. In our 20-year experience, the most common reason for failing is underpreparedness and nervousness in some situations. So please make sure that you had an adequate preparation before you go for your driving assessment. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.